Melanie Michael's been out on Bayshore Boulevard for us tonight. She spoke with a man earlier who told her about a tree that was possibly down. I don't know if you had a chance to go check it out or anything, but the mayor said her crews will. Melanie, tell us what's happening there now.
Good evening to you both. This area, I'm telling you what, the rain is sideways. I know we hear that often in storms like this, but it is coming down like crazy, and it is very, very gusty. We did get a chance to check that out. I want to show you that tree right now. The rain is starting to pull, but look at this tree. If we get those 75, 80-mile-an-hour winds, this tree right here is going to come right down. And we had a viewer, one of our viewers, our loyal 8 on Your Side viewers, telling us this tree right here, it's bowing. I mean, it is literally hanging over Bayshore Boulevard right now. 8 on Your Side has alerted the city. We've let the mayor's office know. We've also let city management know that this is dangerously and precariously close to anyone who would be driving beneath this right here on Bayshore. I mean, you can look right now. There's very little traffic, maybe 1 or 2 cars, and right now it's just it's not too bad as far as pooling. It's only pooling in certain areas, but we certainly do appreciate that one viewer braving the storm tonight and actually coming out and trying to tell us about this tree right here. As you can see, again, it is bowing dangerously close to anyone who would drive underneath it. So quite rainy, quite windy out here, and as that rain continues throughout the night, we know what happens right here on Bayshore Boulevard. It is always flooding in this area. Hopefully the flooding will not be that bad, and it will be draining as the city has been working on continuously in the previous months. But again, the rain is biting, and it is coming down sideways right now. So hopefully, again, the mayor's office and the city will be able to take care of this tree, because as you can see, it is leaning right over Bayshore Boulevard. We want to tell you where we are exactly. This is El Prado, between El Prado and between Bay to Bay. So right now, again, a lot of these cars very coming down right now, but coming down the road. But this is the northbound side, and it is just... It's rainy and windy like crazy, so we're hoping again, now that 8 on Your Side has alerted the mayor's office and the city, we're hoping that they can take care of this, because, Joey, let's pan up to the sky right there. You can see just how hard the rain is coming down right now, and you guys know exactly what happens when the rain comes, because it starts to flood here in South Tampa. So we will be live throughout the night and letting you know the progress on this, but 8 on Your Side is on your side tonight, making sure viewers are safe, making sure our community is safe, as Elsa is making its way through Tampa Bay. I'm Melanie Michael live. Now we'll send it back to you.